Okay, so we are at the Flagship car wash in Gaithersburg, Maryland, to where we are going to be going through a car wash. It looked like it's been a while since I've washed the pickup, and it looks like one of the automatic bays are out of service. So we'll be going into this bay right over here. Check and make sure that no one's around before we can go in. This is a Washworld high velocity wash. Okay, here's a close-up at the bay area. So for our wash options, we have the regular for 7, the super for 9, and the ultimate for 12. Actually, I'm trying to get a close-up. Guess we just select a wash.
Please add payment for your selection. To have a receipt.
There we go, finally.
Please wait while your card is being authorized. You have purchased the ultimate wash. You may enter the wash if it is ready.
Okay. Got a lot of things to...
The wash is now ready. Please drive in slowly.
Huh, that took a lot of time. Get my seat on, and we're good to go. See here. Pull forward. Still moving forward. There we go. And we'll let the wash begin. We had our undercarriage wash, and now we are starting off with a coating of pre-soak. Alright, just had to check my card if it was in there. Took me some time, but payments were taken care of. Seems like a pretty good coating for pre-soak. Pre-soak sign just went out. It's probably taking its time to switch over to a different cycle of some kind. Okay, so now we are getting the high pressure rinse. Okay, so now we are getting the tri-foam. Did an okay job. Is that an empty pass? I believe it might have been. Okay, so now we are getting the high pressure rinse. Okay, so looks like we're gonna get the clear coat sealant and the Rain-X light came on as well. So I'm pretty sure this is just a coating of Rain-X. And we have our spot-free rinse. You can even see the dryers built into the system as well. Dryers have started up. So let's see how these dryers perform as we are still told to wait. Job, at least on the first pass. Okay, well, that was pretty impressive, I gotta say. My first ever Washworld high velocity wash. And on the back of the bay there are a couple of vacuums as we pull around. And you can also see here's the back of one of the bays that's being worked on. There are a couple of manual bays as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, getting around to my first Washworld high velocity car wash. Thank you as always for watching, and that's gonna be it. Now I gotta find a place to see how the car did.